How to lose weight without starving yourself. When people think of weight loss, they usually think of the traditional method that includes many hours at the gym lifting weights and jogging on treadmills. In order to lose weight, you do not have to stick to the stereotypical methods. In this video, I'll reveal alternative ways that you can lose weight. For optimal weight loss, reconsider your preconceived notions about food and nutrition. For example, just because one item at the fast food place is healthier than another item doesn't make the fast food stop a good choice. Understanding the best ways to meet your nutritional needs will help you to best set up a diet that meets your desires and your body's needs. A good way to lose weight is to always eat a well-balanced breakfast. It's no secret that breakfast is the most important meal of the day. After eating a quality breakfast, you'll have more energy to perform that workout later in the day. You should never skip breakfast. If you want to lose weight, you should strive to get about 30 minutes of exercise each day. You can do whatever exercise you feel most comfortable with: running, walking, swimming, biking, playing sports, etc. Since the basic formula for losing weight is taking in less calories than you burn, by exercising each day, you'll increase the amount of calories you burn daily. Your phone can be an important tool in your weight loss journey. When you're tempted to eat an unhealthy food, call a friend or family member and chat about anything other than eating. Your desire to snack only lasts a few minutes, so this simple distraction may be all you need to remain on track. As stated before, when people think of weight loss, they often think of lifting weights in a gym or running in place using exercise machines. This does not have to be the case, as there are different ways to lose weight that do not involve traditional methods. Use the weight loss alternatives from this video to slim down without a dumbbell or a treadmill. If this video has been helpful to you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.